Hello everyone. Today we shall look into except, intersect and union functions. Except function, it returns the rows of first table in the expression which do not appear in the second table. If a row appears at all in both tables, it and its duplicates are not present in the result set. If the row appears only in table expression 1, it and its duplicates will appear in the result set. The column names will match the column names in the table expression. Two tables must have same number of columns. Columns are compared based on positioning and data comparison with type coercion. The set of rows returned depends on the order of two expressions. The return table does not include columns from tables related to table expression 1. This function is not supported for use in direct query mode when it is used in calculated columns or row level security rules. Let us understand about intersect and union. In intersect, it returns the row intersection of two tables retaining duplicates. It retains the duplicates. It will produce the results where the intersection of two tables are satisfied. Here in the union, similar to the Power Query, it appends the tables. It creates a union join table from a pair of tables. Two tables must have same number of columns. Columns are combined by position in their respective tables. The column names in the return table will match the column names in table expression 1. Duplicate rows are retained. Okay, this is about union and intersect and except. Let us see in action how it works. Here I have a table 1. Okay, in the table 1 I have few rows. There are around 10 rows, as you could see that in index I have 10 rows. Country, category and total sales columns are present. There are 4 columns, and similarly from in the table 2 I have the index from 6 to 34. Okay, I have the same columns with the same column names. Okay, I hope you are clear. Table 1 has 10 rows and table 2 has row number 6 to row number 34. Now I'll select a new table. Here I'll write except table equal to, I'll write except. In the left table I'll provide table 1, comma, in the right table I'll provide table 2. We have only these two parameters, and I'll commit. In table 2, first 5 rows of first table do not appear in the second table. That is the reason why in the except table we have these first 5 rows. I hope except function is understandable. Let us move on to the other function, which is intersect. I'll click on new table. Here I will write intersect equal to intersect. In the left table I'll provide table 1, and in the right table I'll provide table 2. I'll close the parenthesis and hit enter. Here you could notice that I have the output of intersection of rows, where in table 5 I have common rows from 6 to 10, and in table 2 I have the common rows from of 6 to 10. Okay, that is the intersection part where I am getting the results of 6 to 10. This is about the intersect function. I'll click on new table. Let us understand how union works. As I mentioned, union function, it appends the tables, okay, one below the other. I'll write union table equal to union function. In table 1 I'll write the table 1 and comma I'll write table 2. You can provide multiple tables. Here I am providing only 2 tables to append. And the union, here you could see that it has provided me first 10 rows of table 1, and it has joined the rows from 6 to 34 in from the second table. But you could notice that from 6 to 10 there is repetition in the table. To avoid that, I could include the distinct function where I could provide this union table. I could close the parenthesis. Now it could fetch me the unique rows or distinct rows with respect to this table. You could see that now here we have 34 unique rows or distinct rows. This is all about except, intersect and union functions. Please practice. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.